Chingu, hindi ko na kayang bayaran ang bahay at lupa at condominium na kinuha ko. May refund ba akong makukuha? So Chingu, dito na papasok yung Maseda Law or Republic Act 6552 or Realty Installment Buyers Protection Act. So under Maseda Law, kung ikaw ay nakapagbayad ng at least 2 years, you are entitled for a refund of 50% from the total payments made. At if nakabayad ka ng at least 5 years, you are entitled for additional 5% refund every year after the 5 years of payment, but not exceeding the 90% refund. And if sadyang nagipit ka lang at ayaw mo i-cancel yung contract at ayaw mo ng refund kasi gustong-gusto mo yung property, meron tayong 30 days grace period per year. So if ever naka 2 years ka, meron kang 60 days grace period. However, ang covered lang ng Maseda Law ay ang mga buyers na nagbabayad sa developer ng installment or under in-house financing. Wala pong refund if under bank or pag-ibig financing. Wala din pong refund if ever na hindi naka 2 years of payment pero pwedeng mag-avail ng grace period. Ito ang inyong Chingu na broker, basta lisensyado, garantisado!